Hello, today I'm going to introduce a new scanner we designed especially for access control application. For access control, the people often require Wiegand interface or NFC and barcode reading. So we designed this scanner. Its interface can be USB, Wiegand, or RS232 interface. And it is standing for its performance can read a 2D, 1D barcode and also NFC card. Okay, so let's have a try. Firstly, if we need a Wiegand interface, we connect this cable here. Okay, and if we need USB, we connect this cable. Here. Okay, let's connect it. This is a paper ticket with both QR code and 1D barcode. See, it can read it very quickly. And let's try to read from full screen. It can read both code at the same time. Now let's try the NFC card. This is an NFC card. Very quickly. Okay, thank you.